Okay, now we're on the portion of the recruiting process where we're talking about athletic scholarships. This is not financial aid, academic money, grants, loans. This is very specifically about financial aid for athletic talent. So as you're going to see on the charts, we have the number of scholarships for women in Division One and Division Two, and the number of scholarships on the next sheet for men in Division One and Division Two. Now, along with this, you'll see on the supplementary material, there's a list of 10 facts about scholarships, and that should help you. But basically, it goes like this. If you take a sport like women's basketball, has 10 scholarships, you could simply take the cost of the school. Let's say Division II, 10 scholarships. If the cost of the school is $30,000 and they have 10 scholarships, they have a $300,000 scholarship budget. Now, that is not for each recruiting class. That's for the whole program at once, which means freshmen, sophomores, juniors, seniors, fifth-year seniors, or graduate students. And then very simply, a coach takes the amount of scholarships that are leaving the program through graduation, transferring, players that are leaving the team, and they'll use that money to award to the incoming freshmen. The majority of sports are able to divide up the scholarship money in any way they please. Some sports must give a full or nothing at all. In addition, just because the amount that's listed on these slides, this is the amount that's maximum amount allowed by the NCAA. It doesn't mean that each school will have that amount. So even though, for example, in baseball, you're allowed 11.7 Division I scholarships, many of the Southern and Western big-time baseball programs will have that. Many of the Midwest, Northeast programs, without the weather and the fans, will not be fully funded, as it's called, and have less scholarships than they're allowed by the NCAA. So the scholarship numbers that you're looking at are, in essence, a salary cap that schools cannot go over. Many of them are below that just based on their athletic department and their budgets. So please refer to the 10 facts about scholarships that's in the supplementary material. And if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch. Thank you.